Hello everyone, good evening.
Evening, teacher.
Evening, teacher.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you all today?
Good.
Good, doing good.
I'm eating rice.
What fast?
I'm eating bread.
You're eating a brick?
Bread.
He's eating
Bread. Oh, bread. I heard
I'm
brick.
eating this.
What's that, Mariam?
Rice.
Fries. Nice.
Because I'm hungry.
All right. Okay. So let's start our class. Let's do attendance first. Attendance link and their password. They're both in the chat box. Please click on the link and do your attendance first.
Okay, after.
All right, let's start. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay. So today we are not going to work on any new topics. All right. Today we are going to practice past year paper. We're going to work a little bit on our past year paper so that you will prepare a little bit for your midterm exam. Now, for your past year papers, you will have 7 parts. Ada 7 bahagian untuk kertas bahasa Inggeris, right? So today we are going to try to work on all 7 parts, okay? So you will need an exercise book or a paper. You will need an exercise book or a paper for you to write your answers. Please do not copy the sentences, the questions, or the answers. All you have to do is, let's say if your answer for number 1 is B, you write B. The answer for number 2 is A, you write A. Okay? So this is how we are going to do today. Any question? No question, we can start. All right? So let's do part 1 first. Part 1, you will have 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So you can start now. Please do not write your answers in the chat box. Please write it in your exercise book or your paper as we are going to calculate your final score for today. And also, please don't give your answers to your friends.
Tolong tutup hari ini, Sri.
Once you're done, you can let me know that you're done.
Done.
Done?
I'm done.
This is the first page. All right, let's go. Move on to question number 2 and question number 3. Write your answers.
Done.
Then
All done? If you're done, let's move on to number 4 and 5.
No, I don't complete.
All right. We'll give a few more seconds.
Done.
All right, let's move on to question number 4 and 5.
Teacher,
Yes.
allow maintenance to
Mm-hmm.
use, or is it broken?
It's not broken, they are fixing it. They are repairing. They are fixing it. But of course, you can't use the room at that moment. All right, all of you done?
done.
Teacher, I don't have a paper.
All right, let's discuss. Are you ready? Okay. So if you get, if your answer is correct, you can tick, use a red pen, tick, put a tick. And if your answer is wrong, please make sure you put a wrong, okay? Now, the first one, History Club members should register with Miss Chin on what day should they register? What is your answer? One?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Correct? Are you sure? Any other answers?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Why Tuesday?
Because they say before Wednesday.
Come again?
Because it says, please see me before Wednesday.
Very good. Correct answer should be A, Tuesday, because it says, please see me before Wednesday. So, sebelum Wednesday is Tuesday. All right. So, your correct answer should be A, 1A. Put a tick. Kalau betul, tanda betul. Salah, tanda salah. Tulis jawapan betul. Right. Next one, number 2. What does Ben need to do?
Put, put, put.
Hey, what's your answer?
Put the food in your
B, C.
and
C?
wait for 10 minutes.
Okay. A,
B,
A,
E,
B.
B.
A,
A. Okay. Put the food in the oven for 10 minutes. Now, let's see. This is microwave and this is oven. Adakah perkataan yang sama? No. So, which means A is not the answer. Answer should be C. Prepare dinner for his family. Okay, answer is C. Number 3. What is your answer? Number 3. A, B, or C?
B,
B.
B. The place of the dance class has changed. Tempat ditukar. Okay, because it says in studio 2, not 5. So it is the place. Next one, question number 4. What's your answer for question number 4?
A,
You can only buy drinks on Friday. Are you sure? Any other answers?
C,
C? Any other answers?
B.
B? Wah, A, B, C semua answer. Okay, correct answer is C. 2 drinks for the price of 1. Kenapa? Because they say buy 1, beli 1, lagi 1 free. So maksudnya 2 minuman, 2 drinks, but you are only paying for 1. Buy 1. Yang lagi 1 free. So your answer should be C. Okay. Next one, number 5. What's your answer? Answer for number 5.
A,
B.
A.
maybe A,
B.
B. 5A or B? Correct answer is B. You can't use the computer room. Tidak boleh guna. Kenapa? Why? Because it is under maintenance. Okay? Which means they are fixing what needs to be fixed. Alright? So correct answer should be B. So what did you get? 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. What did you get?
5/5.
5/5. Very good. Okay.
3/5.
3/5. All right. Good.
4/5.
4. Very good. Very good. Okay.
3/5.
Very good.
5.
4/5. 3/5. Very good. Now the next part is part B, is the one where you have to read and fill in the blanks with the correct answer. So I'll give you some time for you to write your answers.
Dan
All right, all of you done? Can we discuss? Anyone still doing? Ada yang masih buat? All right, so let's discuss the answers. What is your answer for number 6? He was competing
E.
against.
against. Very good. Correct answer is B. Number 7, Stephen chose the song and performed. Kenapa guna ed? Kenapa tambah ed? Why?
Pada lepas.
How do you know it's lepas?
Because
So ada tulis kat atas tu, a 10-year-old musician, Stephen has won.
Stephen has won. Has is not. Oh, won is a past tense. Okay, good. All right. And also the same sentence, Stephen chose the song. Chose is a past tense. Okay. The audience clapped is also past tense. All right. All right. Very good. Number 8. When Stephen heard that he had won the prize. Good. And last, number 9. Music had always been a hobby.
and
Are you sure? N. Correct answer is but. Okay, correct answer is but. All right. Okay. Music has always been a hobby, which means dulu it was a hobby, but now he wants it to be his career. Kalau ada ayat yang positif dengan negatif, kita kena guna but. We have to use but. If it is the same positive sentences, then you can use and. All right. So your answer should be B, C, A, and C. Did you get your answers correct?
barang ambil kot.
Okay.
3/4.
3/4. Okay, very good. Still good. Still good. All right. Okay, good. Okay, so the next one is where we have to read the text and then we have to choose the best answers for the question given. Okay, so let's read this together. I want 3 students each to read a paragraph. Can someone start with the first paragraph? Yes, Kayla.
Jeju Island is
Island.
Island is the largest island of South Korea with an area of
1,000
1,846 km. It is also one of the 9
provinces.
Jeju City of
Wilayah.
the country. Jeju Island is the smallest of all of the provinces, and it was formed as a result of volcanic
Eruption.
eruption.
Okay, next one. Muhammad Imran.
Jeju City is the capital of Jeju Island. Hala Mountain is the most popular
Tourist.
tourist attraction of this island. It is also the tallest mountain in South Korea, with a height of 1,950 meters. The weather on the island is pleasant, not too cold or too hot. Therefore, it is a suitable home to a lot of insects, mammals, reptiles, and birds.
All right, good. Next one, Samara.
Jeju Island is one of the new 7 natural wonders of the world. The peak of the Hala Mountain looks like a giant crater and is actually a dormant volcano, which means it has been inactive for years. There is a lake on Hala Mountain called Bangnog Dam, which means White Deer Lake. There are 5 hiking trails for tourists to visit the wonderful place.
Okay, good. So this is about Jeju Island and you may now read and answer. Read the question and choose the best answers.
Done.
Are you done? Yes, anyone still doing?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, done. Let's move on to question number 12, 13, and 14.
Done.
Done.
All right, all done? Shari Hamza,
Done.
please do not draw on my screen.
Yet. Not
All right, all of you done? Okay, now before we discuss, please turn on your camera and show me your exercise book or your paper where you are writing your answers. Before we move on, please show me your paper or your exercise book where you are writing your answer. Lutfi, you said you are sending it in the chat box, but I only have 12 and 14. Where is your 11, 10, 13? Where are your answers? The rest, please turn on your camera and show me your work. Aiman, Danish, Mariam, Aini, Imran, Inshira, Anggun, Akila, Zara, Alicia, Alif Qayyum, Ania, Atia, show me your work. I still can't see Aini, Aiman, Danish, and Zara. Mana? Hilang dah. Mariam, where's your? I said, show me your paper. Show me your paper or your book, the one that you have written your answers on. Mana kamu buat jawapan? I want to see your answers. Mariam, Shuhada, Aimi, and Aiman. Danish, what's yours? Where's your exercise book or your paper? Where's your answer? Always remember, I will always check. So when I ask you all to do, make sure you do. Alright? Kalau tak buat, buang aja masa. 1 jam. Alright, those who have done, very good. Thank you so much for showing it to me. Yang tidak buat, please make sure you take out your paper or your exercise book now and you do it. Number 10. What is your answer for number 10? How many provinces are there in South Korea?
B.
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 A, B, or C?
B. B.
B? Yes, correct answer should be B. Provinces maksudnya wilayah. Okay, 10 is B. Next one, 11. Jeju province is
B. B.
B. Smaller than other provinces. Very good. Correct answer is B. Kalau jawapan betul, you can put a tick. Next one, number 12. What is your answer for number 12?
A.
Or?
A.
Good. A mountain. Next one, number 13. The weather on Jeju.
C.
C is never too cold, never too hot. Next one, number 14. The volcano on Jeju
C.
hasn't erupted for a long time. Very good. Correct. Your answers are, your answer should be A, C, and C. Did you get all 5 over 5?
Yes.
Yes? All right. 5 over 5. Very good. Now, we are going to move on to the next one. The next one is where you have to read the descriptions given and then you have to choose your answer. So we are going to go one by one. All right. Let's read this, Rita. It's okay. Maybe you can complete this at your own time, all right? I will give you a 1 minute break for you to go to the toilet, or if you want to go and drink some water, go and drink and come back. Then we will continue with a little bit of writing. You can take a break, a quick break for 1 minute. All right, let's come back. Part 4, I will allow you to do it at home. Let's move on to part 5. Part 5 is where you have to read the sentences and then you have to spell the words correctly. Make sure you remember your spelling is very, very important. You can write your answers for number 21 to number 25. I will give you some time. Write your answers 21 to 25.
This. It was mentioned.
All done? Are you done? Not yet? Are you done?
Not yet.
Not yet. Come on. All right, let's discuss. What's your answer for number 21? Someone who cooks and plans menus in a restaurant.
Chef.
Chef. Very good. Chef is the correct answer. Next one, it is a large bird. All right. It is soft, fluffy, and staple in many meals.
Bread.
Good. Bread. Bread. 24. Person who was strong, fit, and excel at sports. Athletic. Okay. Athletic. Someone has no hair on their head. Bald. Very good. Correct answer is bald. So did you get all 5 over 5?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. So what is the total? What did you get?
5 over 5.
5 over 5.
5 over 5.
5 over 5.
Total. How many questions?
5 over 5.
5 over 5. How many questions did you answer? You have 5 plus
Over
4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and plus 5, 19.
For today, I got everything right.
All correct. Also, very good, very good. Okay. Now, we are going to move on to our last part of our test paper for today. Okay. So, part 6 carries 10 marks, and this is what you are to write. You are organizing a party on Saturday. Write an email to your friend Ben. In your email, tell Ben about your party. Ask if Ben wants to come and suggest what Ben should bring. Write your email between 30 and 50 words and you can write it in the chat box. I want to see and read your answers. So please write it in the chat box. If you're unable to write it in the chat box, you can write it in your on a paper, take a picture and send it to me. But try to write it in the chat box. I want to read your answer. Any questions? No question, please write your answer.
Teacher, teacher,
Yes.
birthday party ke?
Anything. Yeah, you have your subject here, birthday party. Not anything. It is birthday party. Muhammad Imran. That is okay, but you have to edit a little bit. Okay, I have sent you in your chat box. Try to change a little like this. Okay, you can edit. Okay, Nick Akila, that is good. You have to do a little bit of editing. I have received answers from two. Please continue to send it to me.
Teacher, dah.
If you're done, please send it to me in the chat box.
Saya tulis dekat buku.
Okay, boleh gambar. You can take a picture and send it to me in the chat box as well.
Sudah.
Yeah, I told you all to send it in the chat box. Kalau tak boleh tulis, ambil gambar dan hantar dalam chat box. I need to see your answers. Lutfi, are you there, Lutfi? Lutfi, boleh dengar? Lutfi kata today is my birthday party. And then after that you are saying Saturday evening. So when is your birthday party? You must choose only one day. And they are asking you to suggest what brand should bring. Kamu kena bagi tahu apa yang dia kena bawa. Janganlah kata tak perlu bawa apa-apa. You have to suggest something. So please write a little bit more. Okay, Lutfi? Alright, Arij Kaila, very good. On Saturday, I have taught you, kalau hari, it should be on. Hari is on Saturday. You are not supposed to ask apa yang kamu nak bawa. You are supposed to suggest. Maksud suggest, Ziad, are you there? Ziad, can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay. Suggest tu kamu bagi idea apa nak bawa to the party. Tak boleh tanya apa yang kamu nak bawa ke parti tu. Okay? You must suggest. Alright? So write again that one. Okay. Yang lain okay. Yes, Lutfi, betulkan balik. If you are still writing, you can continue to write. If you are done, please send it to me. Now, today we spent our day discussing the answers for a past year paper. Alright? Now, before I end, I would like to show you how to write the part 6. A sample of part 6. Alright? Everyone can look at my answers for a while. So, to Ben, subject birthday party. Hi Ben, how are you? I am going to organize a birthday party this Saturday. Okay, kamu bagi tahu yang kamu ada birthday party. Would you like to come? It is at my house at 7 p.m. My mother will bake my favorite chocolate cake and my father will order pizza. Would you mind bringing some snacks or juice? That would be brilliant. Regards, Sam. So this is a sample answer of how you could have written your part 6. Although what you sent is still good, you just need to, some of you need to edit a little bit, alright? So, any questions so far?
No.
No questions. If you have no questions, that will be the end of our class for today. Thank you so much for joining. If you are still writing your answers in the chat box, I will wait for you. I will give you about 5 minutes for you to send me your answers. If you are writing it on your book or a paper, you can continue to read. We can continue to read your answers in your next class. Alright? So thank you so much for joining. Have a great night, everyone. I will see you all next week.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Try to send me answers.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye. Anyone still sending your answers?
Bye, Danta.
Your hands up? Okay.
Bye, teacher. Thank you.
Goodbye.